There is a famous saying that Pablo Picasso once said. He said that every child is an artist. The problem is staying an artist when you grow up. And I think that is one of the biggest motivating factors as to why I created my own social platform, the Parisian Panda, back in 2018. Hi and bonjour, my name is Samsi, also known as the Parisian Panda. Today marks the 3rd-year anniversary of my social platform, the Parisian Panda, and let me tell you, it has been a minute looking back at from where I was 3 years ago to where I am now. I am so overwhelmed and filled with joy and pride because, to be quite honest, what started as a fashion blog has turned into something bigger. I remember telling everyone last year that the Parisian Panda is not just a blog. It is a box full of talents, it is a lifestyle, a brand, and it's so much more. And it truly is. If you have been following my journey, I showcase interesting things like fashion, motivating articles, and productions such as dance music videos, live performances, and most recently, to add to the roster, a cooking segment. And when people ask me what do I get out of this, my answer is simple. If you're an artist and a real creative individual like I am, my motivating power or force will never be about money. Sure, there's one thing to have that backing and financial support, but real artists, they thrive in being able to freely do what they love to do, in being able to creatively express those things and inspire people. I have always said in my behind-the-scenes interviews that I'm just so truly lucky and blessed to have this opportunity to showcase my talents, because not only I get to meet other creative individuals and work with them, but it's a personal journey of self-growth, development, which is a very humbling experience for me. And for as long as the opportunity allows me to do what I really love to do, this thing that allows me to be the artist that I am, then you will always have to be on the lookout. Because I am the Parisian Panda. This is year 3. Are you ready for more things in the horizon?
Okay, cool. So that was, that was pretty good.
Yeah, I think so too.
I'm happy with it. Do you want to do it one more time?
No, that's a f***ing wrap.